Gen X, Nigeria, Fabled, Dino. Wow, another one. Gen X, Neo Flameville, Dragoonity. Is that Dragoonity? Yeah, Dragoonity, Gen X, and then Fabled. No Trishes. Another Dragoonity. Oh, Trident, Dragoonity, Gen X, Fabled, Nigeria. Another Exterio, Jirak, Ice, Flameville, Fabled. Gen X, Nigeria, Ice Barrier, Gen X. Oh, at least one Trish. Gen X, Ice Barrier, Jirak, Nigeria. Gen X, Nigeria, Gen X, Dragoonity. Gen X, Dragoonity, Nigeria, Neo Flameville, Dragoonity. Wow. Jirak, Nigeria, Gen X, Nigeria. Wow. Fabled, Ice Barrier, Neo Flameville, Fabled, Dragoonity. Ice Barrier, Fabled, Ice Barrier, Dragoonity, Ice Barrier. I think there's like 5 more. Nigeria, Jirak, Fabled, Neo Flameville. Flameville, Nigeria, Dragoonity, Fabled, Dragoonity. Oh wow. Another one. Flameville, Ice Barrier, Gen X, Jirak. 2 packs left, no Trish. Gen X, Birdman, Nigeria, Jirak, Dragoonity. Just no Trish for me. Yep. Just Fabled, Dragoonity, Gen X, Neo Flameville, Jirak. So just to recap, those supers, and then there's Fabled, Gen X, Flameville, Nigeria, Ice Barrier, Fabled, Jirak, Gen X, Nigeria, Dragoonity, Gen X, Neo Flameville's, Nigeria, Jirak, Fables, Ice Barrier, Dragoonity, Nigeria, Fables, Gen X, Ice Barrier, Gen X, Jirak, Nigeria, Neo Flameville. So, most of these are for trades. I will see what the other team members want, and I will get back and just, PM with offers, trade offers if you want to buy, and just send it to Speks. Alright, teammates are texting me about what I pulled, so see ya. Peace.